Hello everyone, I hope everyone is quite well. So today I am going to show you how you can calculate cost using weighted average mean method. So let's get started. For calculating cost using weighted average mean method, what need to do first. So I need to so in this question, these are the requirement. So requirement is I need to calculate total units, then total cost, and then I need to calculate total weighted average cost per unit. So let's fulfill all the requirement. First I'm going to solve first first question. So total unit to calculate total units, the total units is going to be 100 plus 200 plus 150. Also let's calculate it sum. So total units is equal to purchase 1 purchase 2 plus purchase 3. So sum 200 and 150. It's a mistake actually, so it's 150. So the first question has solved. So now I'm moving to second question. So I'm going to highlight it with orange color. Okay, now let's move to next question. So now I need to calculate total cost. For calculating total cost, calculation of total cost. So for calculating total cost, what I need to do, I need to first um, uh, multiply purchases, number of unit purchases into their price into with their price per unit, and then no, so for purchase one, so for purchase one 100 units, for on a purchase one, cost will be 100 into 10. So I need to add dollar sign before it. So 1000 $1000. For purchase 2, let me enhance the font size so that you can understand better. So for purchase 2, cost going to be cost is 200 into 12, 200 2040. So I need to add dollar sign before it. So I'm going to enhance the text size so that you can understand better, and then I'm going to calculate for cost for purchase 3. cost is, so purchase 3 cost is 150 into 11. So let's add the dollar sign, enhance the text so that you can understand better. So now I'm going to calculate total cost. So for calculating total cost, I need to sum value 1000 plus 2000 plus value 3. So it is 5050. So let's calculate total average cost per unit. So for calculating total average cost per unit, I need to implement a formula, and which is total unit, total cost divided total unit. Then I will find total weighted average cost per unit. So let's find it out. This is, let's write down the total cost is so total cost is 5050. I'm enhancing the text size, then bold it. Serial 1, S-Long 1, S-Long 2. So now I'm going to find out total weighted average cost, and which is total cost divided total units. So calculation number 3, weighted average cost per unit formula I'm going to merge these two cells so that okay, so this is number 3. Formula for calculating formula total cost divided total units. So for this, what you need to do, you just find out, okay, 5050 divided 450. So this is weighted average cost per unit. So that's all for today. Keep watching my videos. If you find my videos helpful, press like and hit subscribe button, and best of luck. Thank you.